What's up? So, today I'm going to be trying, my fat ass is going to make a crepe in the microwave. Oh my gosh, this is going to fail horribly. Okay, so what you're gonna need for that's good enough. Take any chocolate sauce. I'm using Magic Shell because that's the only thing I have. That and what else do I have that I could add? Okay, so we're making chocolate crepes, huh? Because I don't have anything. I would probably like add bananas, like strawberries or something. But no, no clue. Basically, take tortilla, fold it in half, then fold it into fours, put it on a plate, and into the microwave. Yesterday I tried doing this for 1 minute, did not go that well, so we're doing 30 seconds. Unless we wait for it to be done. Squidward's tequila. Okay, I'm gonna stop singing that because our crepe is almost done. Let's see. That's good. Ooh, that smells good. Try it out. That's actually pretty good. Wow. Yeah, that's how you make a crepe in the microwave. Well, it's chocolate crepe, but you can add anything you want. So yeah, goodbye. Hope it's helpful.